Recording is on, and today is the 31st January 2021, and this is our Sunday Fun Aging Call. And today's topic is, who does it belong to? Please lower your barriers. This is an this is a actually an class where I use all the access tools, and the founders are Gary M. Douglas and Dane Heath. They are the co-founders, Dr. Dane Heath. They are the co-founders. And it has gifted me so much that I have no words to express. And I am here to contribute whatever you people desire or whatever is required for me to be here. I don't even know. I don't even know how to put it. But please lower all your barriers, destroy and uncreate all projections, expectations of me, of yourself, of this class, of Access. And if you destroy and uncreate all your projections and expectations, you need not separate, judge, and reject people or me or Access. It starts with projections and expectations. If we have projection and expectations and they don't um, come up to our expectations, then we have to reject, we have to judge people, we have to separate them from us. Everywhere we are doing that in our any area of our life, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pock, pod, on night, short, boys, and beyond. And what is this blah, blah, blah that I did? This is a magic wand we have in Access, and this clears whatever you would like to clear. What do I mean by that? It is, we pick up some thoughts, feelings, emotions, some belief systems, limitations. While growing up for trillions of years, we have picked them up and then we make them so true for us. And today they might destroy us. We are the one who created them because we bought them and we made our own. We are the ones who can destroy them. So when you use this clearing statement, it really clears all the energy, the contraction. If you would desire, if you are willing, if you want to know more about it, please go to theclearingstatement.com and Dane himself will explain it to you. It's about 20 minutes. I can put the recording on the group also. And please go and listen to it if you're curious. It works anyway, even if you don't understand it. So let's start with the questions, because this is a place, this is a space that we have to ask any questions, and questions are the one who create this class. So would you be willing to go forward and ask me anything from the topic, who does this belong to? What the heck is this? Or anything else that comes up. Thank you. Come on, shoot out. I can't go anywhere if you don't ask me questions. And there are no stupid questions, no small questions, no irrelevant questions. Please.
Kaval, can I ask a question here?
Sure, go ahead. I love you.
I just wanted to ask you, see, when we ask who does it belong to, and you get it's not mine, we send it back. And if we get it's mine, then what do we do? And when it's, when you get it's not mine or someone else's, what do we do? Can you just talk a little bit about that?
Wonderful, wonderful, beautiful question. Thank you for asking it. So, when do we ask who does this belong? We ask when there is something that gives us pain, something that troubles us, something that contracts us, something that takes us away from us. What do I mean by takes away from us? We are the infinite being with total ease, joy, and glory. And when our ease, joy, and glory is disrupted, that's when we are not being ourselves. That's when we pick up things. That's when we trouble ourselves. That's when we are unkind to ourselves. So those are the times when we say, who does this belong to? And because we know now, most of us here are from Access, know that 98% of thought, feeling, and emotions are not yours. We are such psychic sponges that we pick up. We pick up from people all over the world, 1,000 miles from here, 1,000 miles you pick. Indra, can we mute you, darling? There's a disturbance. Thank you. I muted you. So when something is wrong with your body, you need to ask, who is this mine or someone else's or something else? If you get the lightness by saying, when you say that is it mine? Then you ask another question. Like I said, 98% of the shit is not ours. Then you ask another question. When and where did I make it mine? When did I buy it and made it mine, made this mine? And then you use the clearing statement or send it back to the sender with the consciousness attached. And say right, wrong, good, bad, pokpad, honor, short, boys and beyonds. That will clear it. And how often you have to say it depends on when you do not have the charge, when you get bored of saying it, when there is no charge to anything. So someone else's is somebody else's. You get the lightness when you ask that question, and then you send it, return it to sender with consciousness attached. And sometimes in something else, if it is something else, it is the earth. If you're not feeling well and you go to the doctor and all these things, okay, so if you go to the doctor and nothing changes, it's because you're trying to heal the earth. And the earth requires an energy that you have, that you're not giving. You have to give that energy to the earth. You spread your arms and you ask the earth, okay, take how can I contribute to you? Please, I am here. Everything that does not allow me to give you the energy that you require, I now give it to you. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Done. Suddenly that pain in your body, that hurt for months or years will go away. Try it. It's magical. You have a level of communion with the earth that you have never acknowledged. It's demanding. Every time you have unease, contraction, ask these 3 questions. Is it mine? Somebody that hasn't, please would you mute yourself? Please, could you mute yourself, darlings? Even Bindu is asking. Thank you, Bindu. Something running in my phone and it's disturbing me. Hanji, has it been of any help?
I don't want to live in a world where everybody hates each other.
I'm sorry.
Yes, Kamal.
Actually choose to create what we would like
I'm
to create.
sorry, this is not
Any
good.
of you?
going off.
Yes? Thank you. Some of you are like, what did I say yes or no to? What did I...
My phones, all my phones have something running all the time. So, okay. So, Sagri, was it of any help?
Yes, Kamal. Great. Thank you.
So, you have healing ability, guys. And the earth is asking you to heal. If you have a healing ability, you will suffer if you don't keep giving the earth what it requires. So every morning I would suggest, get up and say, earth, what can I contribute to you? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's really about oneness. Because you all have a healing ability, because you are all magical, you will suffer. It's like not cognitive, it's like you know and you keep it to yourself. That knowing is that struggle, that pain, that anxiety, that contraction. And when you stop trying to stop the change it requires, it needs, you trouble yourself. And if you give it, you will be fine, and the earth might not need to create the earthquakes and the tsunamis. That may be what the earth is asking for. Give it. Universe, can you make sure I am not in... Okay, so once Gary said that he had some issues. Exactly, I don't remember. So he just asked the universe, can you make sure I'm not in town when any disaster occurs? Because in US, I think in the California area, there are a lot of fires and earthquakes. So he just, whenever he's probably got the awareness, and he just asked, and he said he was not in town when that disaster occurred. So can you be in communion with the earth all the time? Can you ask the earth to be with you? Every time you get some awareness in your body, you are an infinite being. You actually should. I wouldn't like to use this word should, but short of words, I don't know. I'm using this, that you should know what's going on before it comes to you. And you do. Please start acknowledging it. You know before you're talking to somebody how he or she is going to receive you. You always know what is this going to turn out. You go on a path and suddenly you get an awareness to turn right. And you say, oh my God, I should be going straight, but I turned right. And then you later learn that road was blocked. If you are present and aware and conscious, there is nothing that you don't know. He even says, okay, when you go to buy, ask gold to let you know when it's all-time low, so that you can go and buy. You can communicate with each and every molecule on the planet, guys. The worst case of global pollution is the toxic waste of emotional garbage that people dump. Look around and see what that emotional trauma drama creates on planet. And the value of you all, humanoids, is not to have thoughts, feelings, and emotions. If you learn to be in allowance, then you are the most valuable thing on planet. Your function, please, can you, please mute yourself, guys. You are infinite being. You are here to function from perceiving, knowing, being, and receiving, not from thoughts, feeling, and emotion. When you're functioning from thoughts, feeling, and emotion, would you ever know what's going on? Would you know what is creating global? Rupal Shah. I clicked, but she's not. Okay. Would you know what is required when the earth is talking to you, when the body is talking to you, when people were saying something that wouldn't work, what words you need to say, how you need to go about in life? These atomic bombs, cars, crackers, everywhere you're cutting off your awareness to fit yourself. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, pod, online, short, boys and beyonds.
Hi, Kawal. Good morning.
Sagri for asking that question. Hi, Geeta. Gitu, how are you? Long time.
I'm doing good. Yeah. How are you? What's the topic?
Sorry?
What's the topic?
Who does this belong to?
Okay. The energy I'm
Kawal?
getting from you belongs to you, and
Yeah.
the energy I have right now, if you can see the difference, thanks to all of you. Thank you.
Yes, somebody else was asking a question here.
Yeah, I just wanted to share this, Kawal. Susan, as our heart, shared this thing about awareness, and she said that she had, her head was spinning and she felt she was getting an attack of vertigo. And she could have so easily gone into, oh, I need to have medicine or I need to go to the doctor or whatever it is. And then she learned that there had been an earthquake somewhere. They didn't feel the tremor, but somewhere close by. So she said that was so amazing when I found out, and I realized that. So she said, I asked the questions. So I think that's what we need to do all the time.
Yeah, we are reading. Thank you so much, Sagri. We are reading Having Your Cake and Eat It Too. And only yesterday we were reading about this same thing. And that's how this topic came by. Who does this belong to? In Japan, when that earthquake happened, there were people who had a lot of cough. And everybody attributed that to the earthquake, explosion, whatever that was actually. And Gary said that, what if the earth was requiring something from you? And anybody who asked this question, whatever you, universe or earth, whatever you require, please take it. I give it to the earth. Didn't have the cough. It went away. So when Susan Hart, what do? We go straight to, ये दवाई ले लूं, ये दर्द हो गया है, ये डॉक्टर के पास चली जाऊं, ये इंजेक्शन ले लूं, rather than what else is possible. Is earth asking for something? We never look at that. Nobody ever told us. Universe, can you make sure I am not in town when the disaster occurs? Universe, can you let me know what is required? Universe, what is the contribution that you require from me? Universe, what is it that I can give to you to get the gift that I am? rather than going into the emotional drama that is killing the earth. That's why Gary keeps saying, laugh a little more, laugh a little longer, and you will cure the earth. And what is curing the earth? Curing you. There is no separation. It's not like you have to give something. It's like gifting and receiving simultaneously. Look at what happened in tsunami. When tsunami happened, animals all ran up to the mountains, away from the sea. We are all aware. We are all infinite beings, but we do not want to be that. We have never been told that. That's valuable, that you need to trust your knowing, that you know everything. And on planet Earth, we act as if we own it. Earth has more conscious than all of us put together. It has its own awareness. And it asks. And you go into the wrongness. You know, the earth took care of itself. It has its own awareness, and what needs to be corrected in order to take care of itself, it knows. It has corrected recently. There are these changes occurring that we are all aware of now. But you are aware of it even before it occurs, guys. That is why Access is all about you and being, and what is you? Conscious, present, and aware. Did you notice the sky was different? The animals were on the roads. Thank you for asking that question.
Kamal, when we say that who does it belongs to, send it to the sender. So it is going to the sender or to the
Return it to sender with consciousness attached. You are, it's not yours. It's not yours. You picked it up from somewhere, somebody, something. So when you return it with consciousness attached, it starts the ball rolling to create a different reality on planet Earth. Who does
like
it belong?
It is somebody from the family member. तो वो family member के पास ही चला जाता है or what? Pain or whatever.
What do you know? Everywhere you go into your head to define things, what do you know?
Like what I was.
Is it light? Is it heavy? This is a different language we are talking about here, Mamta. We are not talking about this reality. This reality always goes to head, always wants to know the right, wrong, good, bad, perfect, correct, positive, negative. You are an infinite being with infinite knowing, infinite perceiving, infinite receiving, infinite being. Are you choosing that, or you want to know, will it go? Who will it go to? Will what it harm? It will not harm. You ask a question, you know. Follow that knowing, trust yourself. Where does this come from? Return, or light, it's come from somebody. Who it comes from is not your job. Your job is just to start rolling an energy that will create a different reality on planet Earth. As long as you believe pain is real, you must out of necessity create pain in order to prove the rightness of your point of view. Your point of view is pain is real. Tathastu. It is real for you. And how many of you have misapplied and misidentified intensity as pain? Pain is almost always an awareness you are not willing to have. Everything that is, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, padonna, short, boys, and beyond. If you recognize that your body is trying to give you some information and you are unwilling to receive it, and then when intensity shows up, you call it pain. What if you just ask body, what are you trying to tell me with this intensity? If you buy it as pain and it isn't, all you do is lock it into your body and start to damage your body. That's what we've been doing. We start to lock it in our body and we start damaging ourselves. Everything that brought up, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, awkward, honest, short, boys, and beyond. It's gone very serious, guys. I think I'm talking to just walls. No reaction.
Kamal, can I share something here?
Yes, please go ahead.
To just add to Mamta's question, it's like, okay, if we perceive a pain in our body or if we perceive an emotion and we ask this question, is it mine? And you get it is not yours. When you return it with consciousness attached, you're actually giving the other person, you're being the invitation for the other person to make a different choice. They have chosen to feel whatever it is, sadness, anger, depression, whatever it is, or even have created pain in their body for, again, with whatever reason. So when we say this, when the consciousness is attached, when we return, it is actually an invitation for them to change. And so, we need not feel guilty about returning things back. It's how I think. Does that make sense to you? Hello? Can you hear me?
Mamta, she's asking you a question.
Yes, Sagri. Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you, Sagri, for
Thank you. Thank
explaining
you.
it so beautifully.
Thank you. Thank you. Because this was something I struggled with in the beginning also.
Yeah.
I would say, am I returning this? We had all these concepts of being negative. Am I giving negativity back to the person? Is that fair? Is it right? Is it correct? And then one day, as I was asking the question, this was the awareness I had, that we could actually be an invitation for the other person to make a different choice. So yeah, I just wanted to share that. Thank you.
Thank you. Yes, guys.
Thank you, Sagri. Thanks.
Good morning, Kamal ma'am.
Good morning, Mehak. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Good to have you here.
Ma'am, I want to ask you a question. I
Yes.
have some belly fat.
You have some?
Hello. Yeah. So, ma'am, belly fat.
Okay.
So, I have to say that who does it belong to, or what do you want my belly to get slim and fat free?
So you first have to judge it, right?
Yeah.
You first have to make it wrong, right?
Maybe belly fat is like.
What if it wasn't wrong or right? Or what if it was just a choice? So can you be in communion with your body? Ask your body, would you like to? You don't like something in your children and you start taming them.
Okay.
You don't like something in people and you start changing them. It's the stomach's choice to either change or not. Can you be functioning in communion with it? I've very often said that please look into the mirror every morning and ask body, what would you like to look like? Bodies always want to look good, wants to be lusted after, want to be appreciated. And it will show you the magic it is. But if you keep saying that I want to get thin, what you insist persists. If you're blaming anything, if you're blaming your child for not getting marks, tomorrow it's going to be worse. Because you're giving so much of attention to it, it grows. If you stop giving any attention to it, if you appreciate your children, if you invite them for another possibility, if you encourage them to be who they truly be, they will show you. Am I making any sense?
Yeah, ma'am. But ma'am, can you please differentiate in between these two questions, where we have to use this question that who does this belongs to, and what do you want my?
Late. I think you came late. You'll have to listen to the recording. We started with that, and I think did 15-20 minutes with that.
Yeah, ma'am. I came at 8:15.
So then it must be 15 minutes that we talked about that you missed. I don't know if anybody wants to go back to that again, or we have another thing.
So, ma'am, can you please send me that recording after the class?
The recording would be on YouTube. Just write Kamal Basoor and YouTube, and I think you will get the recording.
Okay, ma'am.
Give us some time, maybe by the evening.
Okay, ma'am.
You're welcome, darling.
Thank you.
There are recordings for, I think, all the recordings are there from the day we started, May last year. Every Sunday recording is there. Yes, darlings, any more questions? Hello, my regular people, where are you? If the others don't
I am
want to
always there, and I love to stay in question. May I ask?
Yes, please go ahead.
Who does this belong to? There are many things that keep popping up, and mostly I get the awareness, but for certain things, like I'm in a discussion, I'm talking about a particular topic, and I would like to put it like this: the question here is, what will it take for me to be in totally aware? Like I'm in a discussion, I am conscious. However, I get back to my usual, as in, I would not be totally present. So, what will it take for me to be totally present
That's a
in
beautiful
every
question to ask.
now moment?
That
In
is a
every
wonderful
now
question
moment.
to ask.
I guess I got my. Thank you. I got my answer while I was talking.
Everything doesn't allow that. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, online, short, boys, and beyond. Guys, this is so beautiful. You ask a question and you get the awareness. She asked the question, and before she completed the question, she got the awareness. That is how it works.
Thank you. Your
You
presence.
ask the
and my
question and you
presence.
get your
Thank you.
awareness. If you're willing to have it.
Kaval, so how can I do this often? Rather
Exactly
every
same.
moment.
Lovely question again. Often I think the first question, now you're contradicting the first question. The first question was in every moment.
I remember you training us rather, or you have to build our muscle. So I remember that. That's what's coming to my awareness.
Yeah. As long as you're picking up everybody else's thoughts, you're not present in your life. How many people feel
I hear you.
they are not
Thank
making right
you.
choices? Yeah, thank you.
What did you say? How many people feel they are not making?
Correct choice, they're not present, they're not. So is it yours or somebody else's? The idea of everything we do in Access is to give you more of you, to give you an idea of a difference between you and everybody else, to give you the awareness of your thoughts, feelings, and emotions. So, what would it take for you to be present in every now moment? To exactly know what next that will create greater for you and for the universe, each and every molecule on the planet. You always know, but you listen to other people, pick up thoughts, listen to your head, and make the same choice again, and expect a different result. And as long as you're picking up everybody's thoughts, you're not present in your life. If your thoughts get heavier when you're asking a question, that means you are bought as real. That means you made it as yours. And it keeps coming back, like on the computer. Those things keep popping back you don't want. You have to remove them, pock and pot them. And eventually they will go. When there is no charge, they will no longer irritate you. There are a huge number of ideas floating around in the universe. You make them infinite, bigger than the universe. And they will come back to you when they want to be birthed through you. Otherwise, if they are making you heavy, they're not yours. Don't make them real. Send them back with consciousness attached.
Kaval, I have one thing to ask.
Yes, please.
As we are saying, who does this belong to? Many a times our body gives us signals, is what I would put it across as. And I'm in a discussion, and all of a sudden, something or the other, I feel inside my body as I'm connected to myself more and more. And earlier, it was at a nascent stage. Now, I realize, I would not say understand. I get the awareness of that this is some message that the body is giving me. So, so now that I acknowledge that message, I get aware. Uh, Things change instantly and immediately. Uh, at times, I'm not able to decipher that. Mostly, I am. Like, I'll give you an example of day before. I was sitting in a room with certain friends and family members, and they were different energies. So, and baat karte karte, there was a discussion which was not, we were not at communion with each other in that topic. And I started saying, interesting point of view, and who does this belong to? तो मुझे अजीब सा कुछ महसूस हुआ, and like it, if I मुझे if I was not using access tools, it would have ended being a shitty topic and blame shame game. However, when I use these tools, it's changed. अभी भी वो मेरे अंदर कुछ है जो मैंने अभी ये शेयर किया कि ऐसा क्यों हुआ was coming to me later on. So I kept on saying, पर वो कहते हैं ना जरा सा वो रह जाता है कभी कभी. So how do I work on not having it at all?
You make yourself wrong all the time. Keep beating yourself. Keep standing looking at the wall all day long and blaming yourself. Maybe it will change then.
Reverse psychology use कर रहे हो आप.
So
Story waiting out.
So beautifully you changed everything. So beautifully you explained everything. But you did not give any importance to what you did. But that little thing that I wasn't able to do, you have to blame yourself for that. You will never be God.
I remember
God
now.
never blames itself. Earthquake हुआ तो God नहीं बैठ जाता अपने आप को blame करने के लिए.
Got it.
सुनामी होता है तो God नहीं बैठ जाता अपने आप को blame करने के लिए. आज बारिश नहीं हुई तो धरती खराब होगी, God नहीं बैठ जाता blame करने के लिए. और जब बहुत कुछ सुंदर हो रहा होता है तब भी God नहीं अपने आप को शाबाशी देता. What if what is beautiful as it is? And you just be aware, present and conscious. And you would know. You don't know because you go into
the stories.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much for empowering us.
Please acknowledge every time that you change your reality and choose your reality. And can I have more of that, please? That is the difference.
Thank you so much.
Let me finish. That is the difference between somebody who's dynamically successful and the one who functions from the confines of this reality. Every time you blame yourself, you are functioning from the confines of this reality. Would you please choose you and say, oh my God, I could make this change. How did I get so lucky? And I have these tools. Can I have more of that, please? मैंने ये सारा कुछ कर लिया. 10 चीजें मेरी लिस्ट में थी, मैंने 9 कर दी. वो एक नहीं करी. मुझे बता कमल, मैं वो कैसे एक ठीक करूं? वो अभी ठीक ही नहीं होना चाहती शायद. वो अभी आपको कोई इंफॉर्मेशन देना चाहती है that you're not willing to receive. You still are making yourself wrong. You cannot see through it. How good we are at making ourselves wrong all the time. What energy, space, and consciousness can I be to create a reality beyond this reality that no one else has ever achieved? And be a contribution wherever I go, whoever I touch, just by being me. Everything doesn't allow that. Would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pop, Madonna, short boys and beyonds.
Thank you.
Hi, Neera, we missed you. Where were you? Okay, she's still sleeping. So, guys, we still have 16 minutes. Go for it. Ask questions. Anybody?
Okay, I want to ask.
Yes, Usha, go for it.
No, I mean to say, like, sometimes and when we are done with our work, and then I accompany with my mother, and then she talks, and then I get that awareness that I get to go inside her talk, you know, like that. So after that, then I say, oh yeah, I'm also judging in that sense. I'm also putting my, you know, like energy also there, which then after that I realize, I say, oh, I should not say that. Then how to avoid that, I mean to say.
When you say who does this belong to is the tool that allows you to clear your head.
Okay.
अच्छा ये मेरे को बताओ कि जब आप meditate करते हो, what do you meditate for? To stop the chatter? To have to make your life easier?
Yeah, cleansing the mind and the thoughts.
But when you're sitting in meditation, does your head, when you're sitting, actually you're sitting there for the purpose of making your life easy, and you're sitting there to have ease in your life and have no thoughts, what happens actually? Do you achieve it, or more thoughts flood into your head when you're sitting quietly?
No, I am at ease.
No thoughts. You're thoughtless.
Yeah.
When you meditate, you're thoughtless. That's amazing.
Yeah.
No thoughts come.
No, and then I go to sleep. Easy to sleep.
Anybody else who wants to share this, please? I am very curious.
More thought comes. With my case, more thought comes.
Anybody else want to share this?
In my case also, ma'am, more thoughts come.
Anybody else? Anybody else who does meditation?
I attempt to, but mind chatter doesn't stop, of course.
So, I want to ask you another question.
I am just with myself. So
Yeah.
now I don't
We are
get.
talking about thoughts. Of course, you are with yourself. We are talking about do more thoughts flood in?
Earlier, initially they used to, now they don't.
Now, what
When
happens?
I'm in,
What happens
when
then?
I'm
You just
present, they don't.
no thoughtless. You're thoughtless at that time.
For few more, like if I'm in, like
Few minutes,
right
yeah.
now in
Few
this
seconds.
moment, there is no thought.
2 seconds, or how long? I am not making you wrong, guys. This is not a test. This is not right and wrong. This is just what it is. Okay, so I have another question for you. Hi, Rini. We have another question for you. Do you realize how aware you are of the world around you?
Yes.
So when you get those thoughts, they are not yours, darlings. That's why when you do meditation, people say, let the thoughts just pass like any bird passes, like any cloud passes. And your mind is so full of thought, other people's thoughts, feelings, and emotions. What if you could just let them be? Let them pass. You don't have to do anything about them. Would that make your life easier? So this tool is so amazing, because 98% of your thoughts, feelings, and emotions do not belong to you. They belong to everyone else. You are just aware. Because they feel like you think they're yours. But when you say, who does this belong to? You are at ease. It's a tool that allows you to clear your head. You don't have to sit in meditation for hours to clear your head. Instantaneously a thought comes, you ask it to go if it's not yours. And if it is yours, when and where you bought it, and then you say, okay, go, bye-bye, no more. Thank you so much for serving me for this long. Now you can go. Just by asking, who does this belong to? If you do this for 3 days continuously for every thought, feeling, and emotions, you are a walkie-talking meditation. You will instantaneously know this is not your thought. You will just send it away because it's light. If it is heavy, then you will ask a question, get more clarity. Choice creates awareness. What would you like to choose? There is an app. Access has created an app that explains the dynamic tool, shows you how to apply it, and allows you to set reminders to use the tool instantaneously for however long you like. So if you download this tool, and put it on 5 minutes, 10 minutes, it will tell you, it will remind you to ask yourself, who does this belong to? Oh, who does this belong to? Oh, who does this belong to?
Kanwal, if we want to manifest something, then how to manifest it? I mean to say,
First find out the meaning. First find out the meaning of manifestation. Manifestation is how you do it, not that you create it. It is how you do it. You don't want to manifest, you want to actualize. You want to physically actualize. So first of all, change the word that you are looking for. And then what do you want to actualize? Can you let me in?
Kaval,
I guess
somebody's
that's
waiting.
fine. Yeah, I guess that's
Somebody
fine.
waiting.
Access.
Yes,
Yeah,
Mama.
Neera,
Thank you
Neera.
so much. I've just included him. Hanji.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, I was saying that's fine. Access, we say we create, right? We create possibilities and we create things.
Create or we actualize. So be in question. For every situation, who does this belong to? First time I heard it, I said, my God, ye kya matlab hua? Like Sagri also said, there was such a turmoil to send it back to somebody. Then I recognize that we have those radio antennas which receives every information. But every information that we receive, we do not have to do anything about it. So please download this app and then do it for 3 days and you will be walkie-talkie meditation. You would know every thought that comes to you. Either you have to do something about it or you don't have to do something about it.
Kaval,
Anji?
this app is in the Play Store, is it?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It was just beautiful, Kaval.
Thank you. Thank you. Lovely to have you here after so long. How are you doing?
Fine. Got my hand fractured.
Got your?
Hand fractured.
Oh my God. What a creator. Don't tell anybody for this app, guys, because then everybody would be happy and spacious.
No, it's really, the way you explain, just when you're sitting in a meditation and that time, whatever thought comes, it doesn't belong to us. And absolutely is a perfect example.
Yeah. Yeah. Anytime, even if you're sitting in meditation or not, any thought, 98%, I would say 99% do not belong to you. The reason it feels so good to be in nature is because it's you. Because there is a vibration that is similar to you too. And also another reason, because people's head aren't there. You're not picking up people's thoughts and feelings. You're not close to people. You're the close proximity of people thinking.
Kaval, when you said present, I got one thing coming up here. Okay.
Yes.
When I'm more and more present with myself, so at times I recall there was this movie, I'm missing the name. So you know what I feel when I'm sitting in a crowd at times, like crowd, I say, like if there are more than 3, 4 people, I'm present with myself and I'm like, I don't even hear them at times. ये होना चालू हो गया है. As in I am, rather I would say I was a person who would be, सबको ध्यान से सुनना, सबकी बात में acknowledge करना, respond करना, and now I'm more with myself. Like I'm like, I remember, we being Punjabis, like, की फर्क पैदा है. Like I have got into that mode. So I'm nowhere hurting anyone's feelings and emotions, but I'm like, interesting point of view. I have started staying shut, and that's a miracle for me because you know how I have been all these years, like since we got in touch, right? And I know my reality, and now that's it's changing. The whole aura has changed. The whole aura has changed.
So I have a question
Like,
for you. I have a question for you.
thank you, thank you, thank you. Yeah,
Thank
yeah,
you.
please.
I have a question for you, Gitu.
Sure, please.
So in all this, when you are being you, is it that you're cutting off from everybody else or you're aware what's going on?
I'm more and more aware. Earlier, I used to
And
be a
it doesn't,
victim.
you don't become the effect of it. That's what you're saying?
I don't become the
Effect of them.
yes. Earlier,
So that
इसने
is
ये
a
कह
very
दिया,
beautiful,
इसने वो कह दिया. Yeah.
thank you. That is a very beautiful space to be in. I used to check out.
Okay.
I was very good at checking out. When I couldn't handle a situation, when I couldn't participate, didn't want to participate, I would check out. 40 people sitting, I wouldn't know what they are doing.
Okay.
That is a different energy.
Yes.
Knowing what is going on and being aware of what's going on and still being present with myself is a different energy. Which one are you choosing? Be aware of that.
Yeah. Yeah. Got it.
When you are in nature,
Yeah, what I was saying was
when
earlier,
you,
if I'm sitting in a crowd or yeah.
so when you are in nature, notice when you're out there, you hardly think after a while. But you are aware. Little noise, littlest movement you would be aware of. And when you're in the crowd and if all those thoughts you thought were yours, would you be at peace?
Yes, absolutely.
So everywhere you've done to buy all thoughts, feelings, and emotions as yours, which they are not, would you be willing to destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, POC, POD, all nice, short boys, and beyond. Thank
Yes.
you. Thank you for saying that.
Thank you so much. I was saying now I don't even at all feel that. Uh,
You're not the effect of them. You know
yes,
it,
and
you're
the thing is,
aware, you're knowing what's
huh,
going on, but you're
yes,
not the effect of it.
yeah, and mostly one last thing that's coming is I don't have to prove myself or my point to anyone.
Yeah.
That has changed for me. Thank you, Kaval. My act like gratitude to you, and thank you for changing me. Thank you.
Let's all thank
Ma'am,
Gary
good
and
morning.
Dave. Good morning.
मैम थैंक यू सो मच फॉर एवरीथिंग, इतना सुंदर इसके लिए। मैम क्या हमें ये रिकॉर्डिंग मिलेगा?
हाँ, ये सारी संडे की सारी रिकॉर्डिंग नियरली 1 साल से सब यूट्यूब पे है, आप सुन सकते हो।
ओके। आज ये एक फ्रेंड है यहाँ पर मेरी, उषा भरवानी, उसने मुझे आपका ये लिंक दिया और मैं अपने बेटे को दी कि तुम ये जरा ये स्पीकर वगैरह लगा के रखो तो मैं सुन पाऊंगी। और वो उस वक्त में आपका सुनना उसको इतना अच्छा लगा, वो पूरा वक्त तक वो सुन रहा है। ये अभी लास्ट 2-3 मिनट मुझे मिला।
How
पूरा
does it
वक्त
get
वो
any
सुन रहा है।
better than that? Thank you so much.
एंड वो इतना कल इतना बैड शेप में था एंड आई एम सो लाइक सरप्राइज, सो लकी कि वो तुरंत आपका कॉल को सुन रहा है। मतलब वो क्या चीज है, इसलिए मैंने बोला कि मुझे रिकॉर्डिंग
एक्सेस है,
कीजिएगा।
वो एक्सेस है।
हाँ मैम किया है, लेकिन क्या होता है कि जब कुछ बोलने का तरीका किसी का ऐसा होता है ना, तो वो चीज कितनी बार पहले भी पड़ी हुई हो लेकिन वो तुरंत दिमाग में चली जाती है। इतना चेंज लेके आता है ना कि मैं आपको बोल नहीं सकती। सो मच ग्रेटिट्यूड टू यू मैम। एंड मैंने आपको डेली कॉन्शियसनेस ग्रुप में मैंने आपको देखा था, वहाँ आपका एक रिकॉर्डिंग सुना था मैंने। एंड आई एम सो लकी कि मैं आपको आज देख पा रही हूँ, सुन पा रही हूँ।
और मैं नहीं, आई एम नॉट लकी बिकॉज मैं आपको देख नहीं पा रही।
अरे मैम बहुत खराब लग रही है इसलिए मैं अपना फोटो दे रही। माय नेम इज यामिनी।
तुम कभी खराब नहीं लग सकती। तुम इन्फिनिट बीइंग हो, गॉड की क्रिएशन हो, तुम खराब कैसे लग सकती हो? जब आप अपने आप को बोलते हो मैं खराब लग रही हूँ, तो आप क्रिएटर को बोल रहे हो उसको बनाना नहीं आता, उसको कुछ करना नहीं आता, वो गड़बड़ कर दिया है।
नहीं 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 नहीं।
सो प्लीज शो योरसेल्फ।
यस मैम। नहीं नहीं, यस
अभी
मैम
नहीं
ट्रू।
शो करोगे अपने आप
एंड थैंक
को।
यू सो। मैम
और
अभी
आपने कभी सुना है कि जब आप रेडी होते हो तो फिर आपको इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाती है? ये सुना है कभी आपने? इट इज नॉट अबाउट एनी ऑफ अस, इट्स अबाउट अस। इट इज नॉट अबाउट one of us, it is about us. When you ask, you receive.
Yes ma'am. Hello ma'am.
Thank you
Hello,
so
Kaval ma'am.
Sorry, I want to ask you, are you in the group? Are you in the group?
Sorry, Usha?
Are you in the group? I mean to say this one, who? Yamini.
Yeah.
Are you in the group?
No.
Are you in the fun aging group, Yamini?
नहीं मैम, नहीं हूँ।
Okay, so Usha, can you add her please? Can you write her number in there? I'll add her.
Okay. I'll just forward it to you.
Somebody couldn't read the
Kaval,
name.
even
Somebody
I
said
am
you
not
get it
there
when you
in
get
the
it.
book.
Sorry.
Kaval, I am not in that group. I'm only in the blessings group.
Yeah, I will
I'm
add you
waiting
too,
to be in
Geeta.
the fun aging.
I will add you both.
Thank you.
हेलो कवल
मैं
मैम।
3 महीने से
Yeah,
कतार
hello,
में हूँ।
Kaval
3
ma'am.
months से I'm waiting.
One at a time, darling.
या ऐसा हो रहा है ना मैम कि क्लास एंड हो रहा है तो सब भाग रहे हैं कि जल्दी जल्दी मैम पहले क्लास मत एंड करो, सुनो पहले।
I know. Even Dane and Gary, when they start the class, they say जो क्वेश्चन पूछने हैं पहले पूछ लो, लास्ट 10 मिनट में मैंने कोई क्वेश्चन आंसर नहीं करना, because everybody wants to ask the question in that time.
कवल आप रिकॉर्डिंग चेंज कर दीजिए प्लीज।
Aren't we ending at 9?
9 बज गए।